What's going on, everyone? Today I'll be showcasing the Kemimoto Driver Backrest, which is compatible with all Can Am Ryker models. This backrest features a non-slip texture and a soft padding, which is perfect to provide more support and comfort while you ride. Inside the box you have the backrest itself and a shroud which helps support the backrest as well as hide the mounting mechanism. A max mount is required to use this backrest, but beside this, installation is very easy with no tools required. You simply put the backrest onto the max mount so the two holes are aligned, place the shroud on top, then move the backrest down so you can slide the lever over, locking the backrest in place. That's really all there is to it, and only a few seconds later, you are now ready to ride and enjoy your new back support. Lastly, this backrest is also waterproof, which helps its durability as well as making it very easy to clean. No matter if you're someone who likes to ride across the country or only down the block, a backrest like this one will help improve your riding posture and provide lumbar support so you can have more comfort while you ride. If you're looking for accessories to make your Can Am Ryker as comfortable and enjoyable as possible, the driver's backrest from Kemimoto is definitely a great item to look at.